Dissociative identity disorder. There are 3 types of dissociative disorders, with DID being the most severe. DSM-5 states that someone has DID if they have 2 or more distinct identity states, suffer from amnesia in everyday events, their symptoms cause them to struggle functioning in life, and that their symptoms aren't due to cultural practices, religious practices, or the effects of drugs.
Research has shown that particular regions of the brain are implicated in those exhibiting DID. The amygdala and hippocampus, which have roles in memory and learning, seem to be significantly smaller in a DID brain. As well as this, the orbitofrontal cortex, which is used for decision-making and self-reflective awareness, receives less blood. It's speculated that these changes are responsible for memory dysregulation and improper processing. This would possibly explain amnesia occurring between identity states or alters. These areas of the brain are known to be sensitive to stress. When a person experiences traumatic events, their body copes with the fight or flight response by releasing hormones from the glucocorticoid family. However, there are some severe cases of trauma where neither fight or flight are possible. Cortisol, one of the fight or flight hormones, is released in excess, causing damage to these sensitive brain regions. Research shows that this happens in individuals with PTSD and considers that this may be the case in those with DID.
Consequently, some experts use the trauma model to explain how the condition arises. It suggests that severe trauma in childhood causes the brain to restructure itself as a coping mechanism, resulting in DID. Up to 99% of those with the condition report life-threatening disturbances in their youth. It's suggested that extreme stress before the ages of 6 to 9, when the personality significantly integrates, results in a fragmented identity. However, the fantasy model argues that due to the individual's suggestibility, they stimulate the symptoms of DID. This means some still don't consider DID to be real, making it difficult for people with the condition to get diagnosed. On average, they will receive 4 other diagnoses before the correct one is received. Unfortunately, there's a lot of stigma surrounding DID, with popular culture portraying many false facts and misconceptions.
In order to remove these negative stereotypes from the narrative, we need to learn about the condition. A number of systems have YouTube channels where they provide fun, educational content on DID and links to free sources. It's all based on their personal experiences, as no one system is the same. For those who want to learn more about the science, we've provided all the links to the sites and journals used to make this video in the description. We thank you for watching and happy learning.